Hello, it's me back. Sorry for not uploading a video and my voice different. I don't know why. So yeah, we're playing in the world. I didn't play this, but I'm not a no player. But you know, anyone. It's okay if I make this voice because I'm getting away. Because my voice is a high pitch. So yeah, subscribe right now if you enjoy it immediately. I'm a guardian. So yeah, I'm a guardian in this game. No, yeah. A guardian that we're gonna protect people and kill the bad guys. So yeah, I'm not a beginner by the way. I've been not posting videos for months. So yeah, I don't know why, but okay. Kill all of that, yeah, kill all of that, yeah. Kill that. Right now. Okay, we're doing good. Doing very good. Sorry about that. Just eating the trees for a reason. And guys, Merry Christmas, everybody! Tell me in the comments what is your present? Because it's almost my birthday. So yeah, there's no way this little guy. There's no way this little guy just hurt me, bro. Die, 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 die. Because this guy hurt me. Eh, eh. Look how many coins I have. Insane. So my goal is to upgrade the size multiplier right there. I'm probably saying that I cannot afford that, but I afford that. I can afford it. So yeah, subscribe please. I want to go to 100 subscribers. I did not go to 100 subscribers. Please subscribe. Please. No, can we do it end of the year? I think we can. Please, just please subscribe. And also subscribe for my voice so my voice can come. And I'm using my air conditioner. Is it okay guys if my voice is high pitch? Because I'm very okay, fine. Sire. Bro, chill. Chill eating, bro. Chill eating. Yeah, that's kind of good. That's actually kind of good. Good stuff. Good stuff. Those are good stuff. If you want to be like me, subscribe. There's a giant person just eat your house. Be like, yeah, you better subscribe or else your house will be eaten. This is your house right here, this tiny thing. Your house be like, getting destroyed. Subscribe or else you will show up in your house. I'm just going to. I'm just kidding. Still subscribe. Please, we're road to 100 subscribers. Please. Just please. Okay? Just please. And we're at 30,000. We're 30,000 size already? Dang, it's kind of good. Christmas tree! Why is there cannons? Kill this little Christmas tree. Little Christmas tree is gone. Wait, guys. Wait. Okay. I'm back. I'm sorry. I mean, not a real checkup, guys. I was trying to check something. Not only the samples.
Wala. Sandali. Carlo.
Bigyan ko siya. Wait, guys. Wait,
No.
Kailangan ako ma-record.
Sige, papalapasin si mami.